This is the tutorial on how to export and import database in XAMPP. First, open XAMPP server and start Apache and MySQL. Now click on Admin. After that, select your database and click on Export. Then choose Export Method. After choosing Export Method, then select Compression Type. Finally, click on Export. Let's see how to import tables to new database. Okay, now choose your new database and click on Import. Then choose your zip file. Tables imported successfully. Thanks for watching.